Magandang ganyan sa Hindi. Kamaya. Hi. Good evening. Wait. So wait. Evening. How are you? Hi. Good morning and good evening. Good morning there sa Amerika. Good evening dito sa Pilipinas. Salamat insan sa pagpunta. Salamat. Ayan o. Pom. Pom na. Bumubukol pero pom. Hi, Char. Char. Hi, Charda. Thank you for the 4 million people. Salamat.
At bisa lang nga ni Ina Pinto. Bula na naman.
Mapatala na naman. Maano ka son? Ayan na son. Ayan na son. Kumusta? Thank you sa 7 people. Salamat. I just get notified. I am working right now. Friday pa lang ngayon. Hi team. Ferdy Cruz, hello. All is well, Sir 7. Hi, all is well. Thank you for the thumbs up. 11 people, salamat. Thank you. Hi, Randy. Randy? Randy? All is well. Baka naman, patamsak naman dyan. Thank you sa 17 people. Salamat. Thank you. Baka di niya alam na hindi na bilang kadali. Hi, darling. Curtis Walton. Hi, Curtis Walton. Current and I don't understand. It is Chinese? Korean? Chinese. Hey, English. No, I can't understand the Chinese language. I'm sorry. Karen, what it means. Thank you, 15 people. Okay. Thank you, Karen. Thank you. Karen. Thank you for the thumbs up. But I don't understand your language. English. Thanks. English, Karen. Hello, bonjour, ça va? Ça va? Michelle Tan, merci. Merci beaucoup. Ça va? Salut. Michelle. Michelle. Golden Pizza, hi. Golden Pizza, hello. I'm Chinese girl. Yeah, I know, Karen. You're Chinese girl. Thank you for joining, Karen. We don't understand yours. Tim, calm down. She tried to speak English. Good evening, sis. Good evening to everyone. Good evening, sis. Uwe Sabatribian. Michelle, thank you. Merci beaucoup, Michelle. Salut. Being Mazan. Are you mine? Are you mine? Digital mercy. Bonsoir, Michelle. Bonjour. Bonjour. Maria Steven, Christian Paul. Would you rather pull a lever or a needle? What means? Mr. Badger Bob, hello from Canada. Hi, Mr. Badger Bob from Canada. Hello, shout out to you, Sir Mr. Badger Bob. Welcome back here. Thank you for the 4 thumbs up and the 11 people. Thank you so much, guys. What are you? What's up? What's up? Ayan. Wala naman. You're so beautiful, man. Thank you. Thank you, Karen and Julie. Thank you. Group Bisu at 12C. Michelle. Bisu. Student. Ah, okay, you're a student. Hi, Manay Kristi. Kumusta po? From chat. Thank you, San. Please a tell. A troll. A troll. Why you say she's a troll? But you are rude. Why I'm rude? I've been to I've been to to everything. What means Ren? Speak English, Ren. Hi, hey channel is older woman, so let's go away. Hey channel is older woman, so let's. Thank you for the 5 thumbs up and 13 people. Thank you so much. Hi, Soren. Can you speak English? Thank you. Karen. Romania. Ah, you're from Romania, Soren. Welcome back, Soren. She says she is 17, but not true. Maybe you. Oh my goodness. Are you have room? Hi, Ben. Hello, Ben. Where are you from, Ben? Okay lang maski minsan. Grabe, stress ka. Mamusta man. Ay, si Charity eh. Kung sa stress, stress on. Kung sa lungkot, malungkoton ha. Laban lang. Stay humble. Fight for the love. Sitting your heart in the night of love. Hi, I'm from South Africa. Just passing through, I will live a life. Thank you, Sir Ben. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Hi po, ate. Hi, Maxine. Kumusta? Salamat sa pagbisita, sa patambay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. How are you, ate? 40 years old. I'm 40 years old. I'm fine, ate. Okay.
matanggalad na. Taluin na yan lahat.
Why? Taga saan ka po, Maxine? Taga saan si Maxine? Sa Davao. Jose, Mama Dog. You again, Mama Dog. You are beautiful. Giano Rajbar. Hi, Giano Rajbar. Thank you. Welcome to my life. Salamat. Thank you so much. Gabi akan siya kasarabi. Thank you for the 8 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you. You are from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Do Brazil bomb dia Landolfo. Hi, Landolfo from Brazil. Okay din po manaya di station man. Pero puro lang work ang life para sa economy niya. Pagurin yung sarili sa trabaho para mabawasan yung lungkot. Good morning, beautiful lady. Walking Tall. Hi, Walking Tall. Thank you so much for joining my live. Thank you. Where are you from, Walking Tall? I am Indian. You are from India. Giano Rajpar. Thank you, Giano. Giano. And Joby, thank you for the 8 people, 10 thumbs up, thank you so much. I'm a home Thank you so much. When I look up at the sky, I don't want in my heart. You deserve it. Thank you for the 11 people. Good thumbs up. So. Marlin the Good Dog. Hi, Ma Marlin. Welcome back again. Ma Marlin, salamat. Guys and girls, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Thanks for your support. Thank you, team. Welcome from Marlin the Good Dog. Salamat for the thank you for the 13 people. Give thumbs up and the 5 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you for the have cat behind you on the counter. Thank you for the 15 thumbs up. Salamat! Thank you guys. 12 people here joining my live. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Happy. Cha-na-na-na. It's so nice to be happy. You're welcome. Sar Star Shock. Sar 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 Starzak. Soulmates Fireflies. So, 40. Ang haba. Too long. Hello. Hello. Soulmates. Sar Stars. Thank you. Thank you for the 10 people. How are you guys? Lindolfo. Ta. Denho. Du. Tadenho. Tadenho. Du. Gatenho. Gatenho. Salamat. Thank you. 16 likes. Thank you so much. I hope and pray somewhere in your heart. Ma-focus na lang tayo sa work para malibang at nawala yung stress. Tama. Work. Work for making money. If you have a money, no feel stress. You, what is it? What is it? What do you mean? Giano. What is it? Long? Ba na naman. Thank you, 10 people joining. Thank you, 17 people. Give thumbs up. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. They don't feel safe if you have money, food, home. Yes, savings, less stress. Just relax. Oo nga man ay mag-work na lang para din maisip ang stress. Tama, libingin yung sarili. Ayan, mag-stress ang magano. Ang sumuko sa'yo. Kamusta, mami? Mami. Disgusting Master Rank. Welcome back again. This mommy. Your lips. Where are you from, disgusting master? AG. Lohar. Hi, AG. Maganda. Puro na lang maganda. Thank you for the thumbs up. 18 thumbs up. Salamat. Happy. It's so nice to be happy. Da-na-na-na. Everybody should be happy. Good evening to Mang Kokolam. Inano mo pa talaga, pina-islam mo pa talaga. Yung Mang Koko mo. USA mommy. How old are you? Disgusting Master Rank. Disgusting. Done, thumbs up po. Alex Resurrection, thank you so much. Welcome back, Sir Alex. Thank you so much, Sir Alex. Same age as you. Same age as me. How old am I? Mark Führer. Hi, Sir Mark Führer. Führer. Hirap kasi. Mga English. English kasi. Ano yun? 29. No, I'm not 29. I'm your mommy. Mama! No, come here na. You say hi ka. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Hello. Sabi hello. 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 Flying kiss. Mwah. Say hi. Mwah. Hello. 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 Flying kiss. Mwah. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. No. No. Go to the baby. Mama. Where's your mama? One, two. Where? Where's your mama? Huh? Mama. Where's your mama? Sige. Ito na. Bye-bye. What is your name? My name is Sheryl. Hello, volcano baby. Volcano baby. Sharing your channel. Thank you, Sir Disgusting Master Lang. Thank you so much. 18 thumbs up. Happy my Thank you. Thank you for sharing my channel. Michelle Tian to a fan. Marvelous. Gobisu. Atom Bibi. À toi. Merci beaucoup, Michelle. Merci beaucoup. English, Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you for the 20 thumbs up, guys. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much, Michelle. Correct chat. 19 likes. Good night, Cheryl. Good night. Hi, Rodrigo. Welcome back again, Rodrigo. How are you? You working? I think you are working today. You are working today. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup, Michelle. Luway. Sige, ka muna. Yeah. Invite me to dinner there. Come here. Finish. Dinner done now. Finish dinner here na. Tip like. Okay, easy. Thank you. There you go. Huh? Big? Where's the pig? Wala na. English is learned. Hindi bolo. What? DJ Jack Gamer. Hindi bolo. Ano ibig sabihin? Fish delicious. Hi, mama mo. Yung big. Hi, Manuel Santos. How are you? Welcome back again. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Sir DJ Jack Gamer. DJ Jack Gamer. Jack Gamer. No. No, Never's the pig. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream. Hi, baby. Where's the baby? Hi, nine. Baby. Where? I'm from Philippines. One. Bolayer. What means? What means? Where are you from? Sorry, Gigi Jack Gamma. Hi. At sa bawat minuta gusto. Okay, bye from beautiful night for you, okay? Sweet dreams, sleep with the angels. Thank you, Rodrigo. Don't forget like my friends, okay? Thank you. Tip tip like. I'm Indian. Please speaking. No, I'm not. Speak Hindi.
Dres ko gawin ng body man.
You sing, I dance. Okay, okay. You sing, I dance. Oh, sige. How I listen to you sing. Bye, Rodrigo. Thank you for joining always my live stream here on YouTube. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless you always. Bye. What do you do? I'm doing live. Obviously. I love Filipino forever. Forever. Thank you, Rodrigo. May nagtatawag. Filipino ka? Opo, Norhan. Filipino. Thank you for the 21 thumbs up. Ano mata ko? Lalabo. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. Filipino ka, ako ay mula sa... What? Ito nabasa. Ikaw ay nagmula saan? Baby. Hi. Say hi. Hello. Hello. Kumusta? Dance. Kiss, flying kiss. Flying kiss. Tapos na. Ano, tapos na? Bebe. Wala si Bebe. Mandalson. Ako ay mula sa Algeria. Saan ka mula? I'm from Philippines. Norhan. Baby, don't, no. I've been there. Never been there. Yes. Hello, Tim. Do you know San Antonio River? Yes. Thank you, Kuya Gab. Dapat watch live. No, baby. You look 26. Thank you. I look 26. Oh, na. No. Come here na. Kinukuha sa mga. Okay. Nor English. Welcome, Nor. Thank you, Nor. From Algeria. Before, I have an Algerian friend before. His name is Kasim, but it's a very long time ago. We no contact now. It's almost how many years? Hi, Lost Hero Games. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining.
Mabaran ka na. Ano mga bata yun ka na? There. Oh, basta ka na.
Wala na. Aray. Hope you are doing well. Thank you, Lost. Why Lost Hero Games? Why Lost? Lost talaga. I don't like the word lost. I feel so lost. I always say that. I feel lost. So lost. But now, I don't want to say it again. Hindi tawag. Kaya na pala yun. English. What? Giano. What do you mean? Thank you for the 22 thumbs up. Salamat. Never been there. Thank you for the happiness. Akala mo ay di kita Hi. What? Hello.
No.
I see the places. I see that place looks stunning.
Nabasa na kayo ng
Stunning. I will search the river. I love the river. Nature lover. Siga! Isa! Siga! Hiya! Hiya! Grabe ko. Be going there, chat. Benito, no.
Bakit? Ano ka na nga? Opo.
Before you go, with me. Ako ay mula sa Algeria. Saan ka mula? I'm from Philippines, Norhan. I'm from Philippines, Sir Nor. Soup. Soap. Hot soap. Hi, Mopsy. Hot soap. Soap. Hi, thank you again. Welcome back, Mopsy. Where are you now? Thank you for the thumbs up. Where are you now, Mopsy? I don't understand Hindi language. Guyana. Elias, hi Elias. 25,000. Thank you. He means up. I think it means hello. Ah, okay. Hi. Soup. Soup, soup. Tiga saan ka po kayo, ma'am? Taga Bicol po. Dito sa Pilipinas, Bicolana. Joggers, welcome back. Good evening. Sumasaksi ako na walang Diyos, maliban sa Allah. Oh my God. Ha? Blessed Friday. Thank you, Joggers. Yes, my son and I were planning together with some of my friends. Wow. Nor I said English. Wow, sana all. Team, you want to go there? Go with, ano, I want to go there. Ha! Okay, cool. Leave live 3 hours from there. Live? Leave? Live 3 hours from there. Mustafa Dines. Hello, baby. Sumasaksi ako na walang Diyos malinsal. Sumasaksi ako na si Muhammad ay sugo. Sumasaksi ako na si Muhammad ay sugo ng Diyos. Okay. I respect your God. But I'm a Christian. I believe my God. What is not saying? Saying the witness, the God, is God of Allah. He witness. Muhammad is the so-called. Muhammad is son of God. Sumasaksi ako na si Muhammad. He said, he witnessed that Muhammad is son of God. English, Nora. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Alam mo ba mga salitang Arabic? I don't understand Arabic language. I'm sorry, Norhan. I don't know Arabic. Khalid, sexy. Wow, that's cool. But I'm not sure yet. Wake me up before you go for good. Wake me up before you go. Wake me up before you go. It's a street drive from Neutral. Street drive. Hi, Tita. No politics, religion, or stakes in here. Okay. I'm God. Okay. It's the community rules. Oh my God, I don't know this. I forgot. So I hope YouTube don't give me the punishment. Charan. I bought a chicken that costs 190 kilos. 190 kilos. What are you doing the meat? 190 kilos. Are you, your boat, wedding, birthday, celebrate, sale? Good evening, young lady. How are you doing? I'm doing live. I'm doing live tonight. And tomorrow. Donna Octavian. Hi, Donna. Thank you so much for joining my live. Hi, Harley. It's been a long time. No here. How are you? Maybe this time. What happened? Yes, driving much better than flying because you will see everything nature can offer. Okay. So much better. I am good, thank you. What's up? What are you doing? I forgot, Harley. Where are you from? There is no nature that way, just theatric. Basta beautiful host. Okay lang. Okay lang, tita. I'm still feel young and beautiful. And thank you. So, Arizona. Arizona. Team, what's up? Nishima. Hi po, ate new here. Hi, Nishima. Watching po from North Caloocan. Thank you. Thank you, Nishima, for joining my live. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, Nishima. Arizona, see you broke up? No, I'm not. No, I'm not broke up. I'm just asking Harley. Hi, tita from her team. No. Lost Hero Game. Hope you have a great night. Thank you. Lost Hero Game. Thank you so much. Thank you. 26 thumbs up. And 12 people here. Happy. Tito Stepan. Hello to all. Hi, Tito Stepan from Canada. Thank you po. Wala. Happy Harley. Where is your wife tonight? Is she married? She have a wife? He have a wife. He have a wife. Hello, sexy Tita Marie. Tita Marie. We found out you're married. She's married. Do you eat soup with mushroom? I think. I'm not try. But
Mulo ka dyan.
interesting. No wife. No wife? Asawa ko si Tito Esteban. Hi Sir Tito Esteban. Thank you for joining. Hi Tito. Pamasko. Hi the Hidas. Tito, pamasko. Hello handsome Tito. Hello my handsome Tito. Tito, Esteban, pamasko po. Advance Merry Christmas, Tito. Char. Si Job. Aray.
Oh! Ikaw talaga. Tita Hon, ayaw mo kayo nagsakat.
Uy, ikaw kung masutilong ka, wala ka nun sa iyo, krisi sa iyo, ha? Kaya ba pa ka rin ka?
Nay.
Hindi ba?
Matawag din eh. Ano ba yun?
Nano.
Ay, na-nervous na ayaw mo din bababa.
Karunta. Hindi na ako makantumig ka. I am good and yourself. I am good, Sir Tito Stephen. Thank you so much, Sir Tito, for joining Joshua's Vegas Live Official. Hello, watching from USA, sir. Thank you, Sir Joshua. Foreigners, yeah, people understand English or French. French. Saba. Salute, Tito Stephen. Cagayan Sambado.
Ay, gayon mo ng bado.
Adaw, susuli Cagayon. Mabapot ka na naman. Cagayon. La. Sabas. Bonjour, Tito Stephen. Bonjour. Robert Wingate. What's the weather doing over there? Warm weather here now. Who, Harley, who the hell are you to tell me I have a wife? You really don't know what you are talking about. Isaac Michael Jackson. Isaac Romeo. Isaac Michael Jackson. Okay, cuz, out na ako. Back to work. My patients are waiting. Sige. Thank you, Insan, sa pag-join sa live. Salamat. Ingat ka dyan. Stay healthy. God bless you always. Every day, all day. Forever. Forever beautiful. Have a good day. Salamat. Just guessing, Master Rank. Where's your husband? Where's my husband? Where's? Son, I will have a husband. Wife are too expensive. Yes. Really? Wife are too expensive. Why say that? Bonjour, comment ça va? Comment ça va? Ça va? Ah, bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good night. Good evening. Bonsoir. Good morning there. Bonjour. Taga saan ka po? From Andy Phil Exigel. I'm from Bicol, Philippines. Eat a popcorn. See. Eat a popcorn. Hopya, mani popcorn. Salamat sa 26 thumbs up. ML Cross. And the Falling Sikel. Taga Bicol ka pala, watching here in Australia. Hi! Thank you so much, Andy Felix Sikel from Australia. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sir Andy Phil Ixikel from Australia. Hi, Sir Cruz, Mem Cruz, what? Thank you for watching po. Yes, bonsoir is good evening. A good that you are learning, yes. Thank you, Sir Titan. Merci beaucoup. Robert Wingate. Where do you live there? And I know it's Philippines. I live from Luzon, Bicol province. Where's Jerry? Haven't seen. I don't know where's Jerry where. Maybe no plan to join me here in maybe hope if he join, no fighting with them. Let's go to the beach. Yes, to the beach. Sana all the beach. I want to go to the beach. He knows he is defeated. Defeated. I am Newcastle, Australia. Okay. I am Newcastle, Australia. Ano pa? Kanya-kanya to buhay. Kanya-kanya mundo. Pati si mama yun. Japay na lang wara. Babadjitan na. Badjitan naman si mama. Mahal cellphone. Badjitan tama. Pambakan cellphone para malibang man. Ayaw mo. I miss the fighting. Maybe, Jerry wants a peace of mind. He wants a peace of mind. Sir Darren Balmy, hello from Canada. Pretty lady. Thank you, Sir Darren Balmy. Thank you so much for joining, Sir Darren, from Canada. Bye, Insan. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone. Thank you, Insan. Salamat sa pagpunta. Ingat lagi. Thank you so much. Bye. God bless. Bye, Char. Hi. And bye, Charity. Ingat ka. Thank you, Tita. He's my cousin. She's my cousin. Harley. From Harley team. Harley. You're so funny. Must be jealous. No. May pumalit na kay ano. Kay Jerry.
Ikaw talaga. Ano mo yung gabi?
Oh my god, guys. Love art. Bye, team. Back to work. Bye, Tita Marie. Nice meeting you po. Kayo din po. Take care. Thank you so much, Insan. Thank you so much, Insan. Badala, Bibang. Hi, Babang. If you are not, then stop talking. Harley. Tita Cheryl, are you a mom? Yes, I'm a mom. I have a son. One son. Harley, if you don't like it, then go away. Don't fight in here. Just calm down. Calm down. Or I will die. Calm down, please. Can't do that. Whoa, I said it. Oh, please. Calm down, guys. So single mom. Yes, sir, Tito. Guys, play nice. Play on. Calm down. Yeah, same Harley. Harley. Team Harley. Gnarly. Tita. I'm fine, Jealousy. Don't bother me. Calm down. Ano nga? Me neither. Besides, look, I'm here to talk to you. That song, they go crazy when you want that special. Okay. They go. Well, I shall control the animal. Oh. Stop it now. Do you work, Cheryl? Yes, I have worked here in Bicol province, Philippines. Working. I'm working. Oh, please calm down, guys. Calm down. What do you do for work? I do, as PN is here in our barangay. Uh, Barangay Nutrition Scholar. I'm a BNS. MAPSI. Join Miss Universe. You can be more beautiful there and then become famous. I'm not beautiful. Well, Harley, I protect her from trolls. Don't worry, I will be nice. Thank you, Harley. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Calm down. Thank you so much. Well, since I'm not a troll, I guess she's fine. Thank you. Garing Rene. Hi, Garing Rene. Thank you for the 27 thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. Sorry. Da-da-da. At sa baba, Ahmad Yamani Bakri. Hello. Bicol was affected severely by the floods last year. Yes. When I'm live here in Bicol, much affected. Near my place. So flood, as in so much flood. Erosion. In our barangay Bagsangan, it put it on news, TV, like that. Extreme flood affected severely floods. I think this year, also this year,
Kapag lagi tayong puyat at kulang sa tulog. Dahil ayon sa isang doktor, magiging mas lalong magulo ang ating isipan. Di tayo makapag-isip ng tama at magiging stressful ang ating utak. Kung lagi tayong
where's the people?
Masulog ka.
So you are in the province? Yes, I live here in the Bicol province. Bicol province. Kumusta na? Para Mr. Romualdez Tambi. Okay lang po. Tagal natin hindi nagkita ah. Huh? Nagkakilala po ba tayo? Parang ano lang ah. Close ah. We help a vlogger with his family's roof in Bicol. If it wasn't fixed, his house would have been destroyed. Yes, some house here totally damaged, as in totally damaged. Some house here and our barangay totally damaged. So much affected the plants as in land. Wala, nakalimutan na agad ako. Nagpamasbati tayo. Ay, nako, wala akong kilalang Mr. Romualdez. Huwag kang gagawa ng issue. Ayoko ng ganyan. Wala akong classmate na ganyan, na Romualdez. 21 lang kami magkara-classmate. Alam na alam ko yung mga pangalan nila. Maglalaki, magbabae. Kilala ko sila. Don't me. Tange, 22 tayo nun. Sino ka ba? Sino ka? Tanging makatangik to. Saka nakalimutan. Ngayon, ang sabi mo? Nakalimutan. Ako yung nasa basurahan, doon ako malapit na ko. Walang kaming basurahan. Mahirap kami nun. Walang ganon. Wag mo akong pinag-chacharotan. Nakalimutan mo agad, wala. Hindi ako nagpabasmati. Hindi pa ako nakarating ng Masbate. Hindi pa ako nakasakay ng bangka, ng barko. Don't me. Wag ako. Kain ka man, sugad. Sorry. Wag mo akong chinacharot. Ikaw nasakyan siguro.
Diyan ka lang.
Huh? Delcy? What do you mean?
Pupo ako, pupo.
Tabang! Tabang! Oh. Bibi. Dapa. Makada ko. Makada ko, Yana. Sino si Yana? Sino sabing yan? Hi, 28. Salamat sa 28. Oy, sino yung nakaitim? Walang nakaitim. Stop the mind games. Yes. The mind games. Hindi, wala. Yung basurahan, wala kang basurahan sa sa anong elementary. Yung dumaan. Ay, wala kang dun. Hindi ko kilala yung dumaan. Baka multo yun. Hello, gusto kita. Ay, grabe naman. Kanadaan mo lang gusto. Thank you, tita. Good night, beautiful lady. Thank you so much, team. Thank you so much, Harley. Thank you for joining. Have a good day. Thank you. God bless you. Isa pa to, si Edwin. I hope you sleep well. Thank you, Harley. I will. Pwede, no. Kala ko kaklase kita, kamukha mo eh. No, maraming Kilala mo yung mga yung mga klase mo. Posible. Sa pangalan pa lang, di ba? Ha? Nagudo. Nagudo si mama. No? Nagudo nga si mama mo. Ano mamahin mo? Edwin, she is not available for you. Thank you, tita. What pwede? If it means if pwede can. If it can. Can or possible. Possible. Pwede is possible. Sige na tayo ambot sa'yo mo. Kay nagpakain si mama na. Pwede tayo. No. Edwin. Never. Never, ever. What did he say? He said, possible if he and me together like that. Edwin wants Sheryl. Yes. Mabait naman. Wala akong pake. Kung mabait ka. Maraming nagsabi bait. Pa-shoutout mabuho. Oh my God!
Akali ka pa ng tupurog.
What is it? Edwin is taken. Yes, almost here in Filipino. Even if they is taken, having a wife, they always flirt another woman. Sige na gusto kita. Ba't sa inyo? Baba! You got 29 thumbs up. Taken na pala si Tita Marie. Ay nako, walang-wala ka dyan. Sinabi sa asawa ni Tita Marie. Wala kang binatbat. Mapapahiya ka lang. Kaya please, tumigil ka na ang ganyan. Pakabait ka. Focus ka sa life mo. Maghanap ka ng matino. Yung para sa'yo. Huwag kang basta-basta na chacharot. Ang ganyan. Putik. Puro may asawa na pala itong mga to. Huwag kang toxic. Edwin, salamat para sa interest mo, pero hindi kanya gusto. Miss English, please. Hey Tim, Holly, how are you? Ang kulit ay kikidwin. Tim, welcome to the Philippines. Do you want to visit here? Mr. O is speaking. I will be your tour guide. Wait. Antok na si Bangbang. Turog na si Gab. Yeah, where you from them? Just give me tip 500. No, I'm probably should be my tour guide. Sheryl will be my tour guide. Yes, I will tour you guide. Oh, I see. Okay, it's more fun in the it's more fun in the Philippines. We're going to we're going to special. We'll have a girls' fun day together. Yes. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, Tita. Take care. Enjoy. God bless. Team It Bicol Express. You will become powerful and aggressive like it's time to become better than. I remember the days when you here with me. Just let you see tears to shed you. What did you eat for the our house? Ano, rice with fish. Dried fish. Toyo. Sa ano, toyo. No vegetable. No. Feel lassi na, tamad na. Eric. Hi, Eric. Pagal. Hi, Pagal. Pagal na talaga. Toyo is good with tomatoes. Yes, with tomatoes. With onions. Nabusog na. Anong FB mo? Ano eh, nakalak yung FB ko eh. My FB is not a public. So, it's my, I lock. Because here now, here scammer, a lot of scammer now. Some here in one of my friends of friends, he her FP is hacked and they asking for money. So that's why it's very private. Need to be and protect the personal information. Yeah, so I need to ask you, be asking for money. Scammer, a lot of ano na yan. I'm not saying I'm not trusting you, but it's better to protect. That's why my FB is not public. I put it on black. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you for the 30 times. Angelito Manalang. Hi Angelito. Eric Albi. Good evening po. How are you doing? How are your eyes doing? Eyes? Huh. Still. But I think it's getting hurt. My eyes. I think I need to end the live na. Sige! Sige! Oh. Uh, uh. All we need to get them check us. Mas mahal kita po. Bababaero, bababaero. Bye-bye. And it's end. Guys. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, guys. Love you all. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow again. Thank you, guys.